Hello to my beautiful people out there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on wherever you are watching this video from. So today's video is concerning those living in Italy. So my people when they stay for Italy, now good news I bring up for now this morning. A lot of us already they hear this matter where they announced since last year. But so this morning I say make I control more light to it. First of all, for those who be say they never know this YouTube channel, I would like to introduce this my channel to them. This is Immigrants in Europe TV channel. So now now they bring all the news, all the ogbonge news will be say go dey important to you. So if you never subscribe to my channel before, I urge you to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that anytime when I come put new video for you, you go be the first person to be notified. Anyway, so let me go straight to the point. And I know say they don't they announce one money will be say they want they pay children whether they call Assegno unico per I figli. Assegno unico per I figli. Now that they call her, so that money that they pay children from 200 to 250 euro a month, depending on how your easy be and depending on how many children you get for your family. Now so they want to pay the money. Anyway, first of all, thanks to Italian government at least for their care and their support to families in need. So this demand now it starts 1st of July. On the 1st of July this year 2021. Now the demand want to start. And the way they say arrange this demand be say any woman will get belle and that pregnancy dey 7 months of pregnancy, they go do the domada because now from that 7 months they go start to dey pay that money till that pikin reach 21 years old for this Italy. So they come my collect my number. Wait. Sì.
Allora, il numero 2.
Sì, sono io.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno, grazie.
Aspetta, ti ho dato 2 numeri, scusa, e sono tonta.
Ok.
Scusami,
Ok.
ma non c'ho le unghie.
Sì.
Grazie.
So anyway, sorry for that. So like I was saying before, any woman will be say get belle has from 7 months may go request this Assegno unico per I figli. And na 1st of July on they start to not be say they start now. So they go they pay under 200 or 250 depending on how many children he get or depending how easy say they go they pay until that pikin reach 21 years. 21 years, that's a 21 eta mean life. So they go they pay under 21 years. Polish 21 years. So and then if you they wonder if whether this demand now for everybody including who they work, yes, the answer is yes. Including who they work, even though na autonomous work you they work or you they work a company work, it just depends on how your easy. Everything depends on your easy. You understand? So if your easy even they feel even reduce that, you feel not the color reach that 200. But if your easy say not get ready to they work nothing, no source of income, you understand me, then you can be entitled to 250. And another thing be say if na for second picking, you know say some people they get rich for children. So from second picking they see they increase them with 20%. So they'll increase them with 20%. Anyway, even though na 100 they reach your hand, even though na 200 reach your hand, money na money, we still appreciate. You understand? So many people don't they anxious, they don't they ask me, so they ask me now when they want start and when they want start. So now me I can't do this video to explain to una say this Assegno unico per I figli, whether they pay to 200 or to 250, it they start on the 1st of July on the 1st of July, now government passed the law. They don already, the money where they won't spend up to 30 billion euro, they don't already allocate that amount. Everything done dey okay, so they just dey wait the time when be say they put and make the thing take start. So on the 1st of July. Also, more than not vex for this word I want to talk. More than not can say they say who get belle as from 7 months may run, they go may go do the demand that they go start with the pian. That might not mean say we no can control the way we say they get the belle. Get belle when it's necessary. At least if you know say you don't born reach for stuff for there. Not because of money come pass children. Full ass, I beg. Now no say I beg now. Simon are not vex for this statement when I want use. But at least now advice now bring come. You understand? So people when be say they don't even get children before we not even get belle. Person like me, I'm not pregnant, but I have 2 kids here with me in Italy. I can still apply for this depending on my EZ, though I'm working anyway, but it depends on my EZ. Now they will come know how much I want to give those my 2 children. So even though you get children before you're not get pregnant, you go still apply for the demander. Anyway, so I will stop this video here. Like I said, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do. Even though you're not sabi subscribe, find person give, they will show you where they press to subscribe for this YouTube video. Make una not forget say I say on the 1st of July now they want start this demander, and now they go give everybody. Bye for now. Ciao. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.